In this video, we'll show you how to set up your new Garmin Descent X30 dive computer. Garmin recommends charging your dive computer for at least 2.5 hours before heading out on a dive. Next, let's install the screen protector to protect your device from scuffs, coral, or other items that may scratch the screen. You will find the installation kit with the protector in your Descent X30's box. To power on your Descent X30 dive computer, press the back power button on the lower left of the dive computer. Then scroll over the language options using the two middle buttons. Select your language with the Enter button. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your dive computer. Using your smartphone's camera, scan the QR code. If you already have the Garmin Dive smartphone application, scanning this code will direct you to the device search screen. For new customers, scanning this code will direct you to install the Garmin Dive smartphone application. Once the download is complete, open the app. If you already have a Garmin account, the Garmin Dive app will recognize it. Select Continue. Otherwise, select Sign In or Create Account. Then agree to the terms and conditions. Fill out the on-screen prompts to finish setting up the Garmin Dive app. When the app recognizes your dive computer, select Connect It. Your dive computer will display a 6-digit code. Confirm the code matches in the Garmin Dive app. Then select Pair. Select Enter to confirm pairing is complete on your dive computer. To finish setup, read through the dive terms and conditions. Then press the Enter button to accept it. You will now be on the main screen. Here, you can quickly see items such as your completed dive logs, the surface interval, and your current selected dive type. This will be set to single gas by default. You will also see options like dive mode and dive setup. To make changes to your dive configuration, select either dive mode or dive setup. After you change the dive mode, you can make changes to gases, water types, dive alerts, and other dive settings for the mode. Select Confirm to finish adjusting your dive mode. Press the back button to return to the previous screen. You can also scroll down from the main screen to access applications such as Dive Plans, Setup, InReach Remote, Compass, Settings, and more. From the Settings menu, you can also flip the screen. This will reverse the button layout and allow you to wear the dive computer with the buttons at the top. You will also need to swap the band. To do this, see your owner's manual. You can press and hold the back power button to access some quick controls. This will help you easily get back to the home screen, adjust the display brightness, or enable and disable pool mode. To start a dive, select Start Dive With. The Dive Pre-Check screen will list your dive setup. Scroll down and select an item to make adjustments. Now select Confirm. During your dive, you can press the up and down buttons to scroll over data screens. Press the Enter button for dive settings. Your Descent X30 will now look for satellites and mark your entry point. The dive will start once you reach 1.2 meters or 4 feet underwater. The GPS will turn off during the dive. It will re-enable once you surface to mark your exit point. Once you resurface, your Descent X30 dive computer will show an automatic dive end time in the upper left. If safe and able, you can start a second dive. After the time runs out, the dive will end. You can stop the dive in the Settings menu. Garmin recommends cleaning your dive computer after a dive activity. To power off your Descent X30 dive computer, press and hold the back power button and select Power Off. And that's it. Your Garmin Descent X30 dive computer is now set up. To learn more about your device, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.